Hello guys, welcome back to Minis. We will paint today wings for Gossamid Archers. As you can see, I have not glued them together. I will paint them separately. The reason for it is that those wings has some little strings, and it is much easier to paint them separately, to paint every single string than after they glued together. So for the first step, prime it black and leave it to dry. After you prime it right, we will mark some highlights, and for this step we need ink from Vallejo and the thinner with the consistency of 2 drops of paint, 1 drop of thinner. And the result you're looking for is similar to this. Just find a spot from above where you can spray for the body to highlight shadows, and for the wings, as you can see here, I left also some black spots for the deepest shadows. I did it for both of the wings, both sides, and leave it to dry. In the next step, we need some Blood Angels Red thinned down with a thinner to cover all places with red, as you can see here. As you can see, it has smoothed the transitions between black. Black has changed a little bit the color to some darkish red. After you paint Blood Angels Red, leave it to dry. To highlight the top end of the wings on both sides, I have mixed Blood Angels Red with the ink from Vallejo. This is the final result after I painted the little veins on the wings. As you can see, I glued the 2 pieces together, and this is nearly finished. For the last highlight, mix Blood Angels Red with some white and paint the edges for the final highlight. And this should be your end result. If you liked the tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.